those who sunk our nation into the black hole of the black continent, to those who gave the brief version of our national history, to those who watched our nation cascade into the deep ocean of turbulence, and to those who jammed the symbols of celebration at the quaking foundation of our unity. We cannot be fertile, our minds are free, and we say that the Nigeria dream is not just a mirage, but an achievable dream. According to the World Bank report, Nigeria is top on the World Poverty Population Index 2014. Nigeria is a country where poverty keeps rising daily like the wave of an ocean, where corruption is on the highest increase, where Vision 2020 is just an illusion. Ladies and gentlemen, Nigeria is a land flowing with milk and honey, but yet Nigeria has not been able to put its print on the sand of history. You can only become a dreamer in a nation where you can sleep with your two eyes closed. As a Nigerian, I have not been able to sleep, therefore I cannot dream. But for the love I have for my fatherland, I dream of a country where I will not be scared of being posted to the north as a Nigerian student. I dream of a country where the rule of law will not prevail over the rule of force. I dream of a country where mediocrity will not prevail over meritocracy. I dream of a country where poverty, unemployment, insecurity will be sent into exile. Judges, I would like you all to square up your shoulders to fight for the Nigerian cause. It is often said that a finger cannot pick a broom. You need at least 2 or more fingers in order to achieve this purpose. We need to square up our shoulders, guard our loins, and ensure that Nigeria hits the bullseye of our development. Thanks for listening.